Welcome, fellow travelers and everybody else who's just popping in to see what's up. Today's a very big day. Step 3 of van build turned into air conditioner day. Hallelujah. For us, we got a little bit of bad news. We're getting kicked out of our shady spot because my friends sold it. That's great news for them, but bad news for us. But what it did do is lit a fire under everyone's butt, and we decided today is the day we're going to put the air conditioner in. So while I was running around town looking for wires, the guys were cutting a hole in the top of my van. So I didn't get to record it, but probably best I wasn't there to watch it anyway. Here we go, step 3, the air conditioner.
Honors of turning it on.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Woo! Okay, we're seeing how long it takes to cool this puppy down.
Back down to the sun.
Yeah.
So once we get this thing insulated, it'll be a completely different story.
Yeah. Remote control, no batteries.
You'll lose that in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Be in the sofa.